In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off paid subscriptions on Substack. Whether you're managing your expenses or simply taking a break, turning off paid subscriptions can be a straightforward process once you know where to look. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you have all the information you need to effectively manage your subscriptions on Substack. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head on over to substack.com. Once there, log into your account using your regular credentials. If you've forgotten your password, use the forgot password link to reset it and then proceed to log in. This will get you access to your personal account settings, which is crucial for managing your subscriptions. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see your profile picture. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This drop-down provides quick access to various account settings and preferences. From the menu, select the option labelled Settings. This is where you can tweak various aspects of your account, including subscription preferences. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new page populated with a variety of sections dedicated to different account functions. You'll want to scroll down through this page until you locate the Subscriptions section. It's usually organised alongside other settings such as account information and email preferences. Take your time to explore if you're curious about what else you can adjust here, but for now we'll focus on subscriptions. Within the subscriptions section, you'll see a list of your current subscriptions. Identify the paid publication you are considering cancelling. Double check this selection to ensure you're handling the right subscription. Cancelling will stop further payments, but it may also mean losing access to subscriber-only content in the future. Once you have located the correct publication, proceed to the Account Actions section. Here, look for an option that reads, "To cancel your paid subscription, click here." This is the key step to removing a subscription from your account. Click on the link or button associated with the cancellation option. Typically, this will lead you through a prompt or confirmation screen. Confirming your intent to cancel will complete the process. Keep an eye out for any confirmation emails or notifications that validate the cancellation. These are useful for your records. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the settings and turned off a paid subscription. This simple process can be crucial for managing your content consumption budget and keeping everything organized. Remember, you can always resubscribe if you later decide you want access to any exclusive content again. Keep exploring other account settings on Substack to ensure your profile is perfectly tailored to your preferences. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.